everyone, bonjour et bienvenue à The Language Code. Let's decode the languages with Nitika. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about TCF Canada speaking module. This was the most requested video which I received on my Instagram, DMs, everywhere. So without any ado, let's get started with the video. So let's talk about the duration. So the duration of the exam of speaking module is 12 minutes. Now in this exam, you have 3 tasks to follow. The first task is poser des questions personnelles. In this task, the examiner is going to ask you the personal questions and the general questions. The questions can be présentez-vous, pourquoi apprenez-vous le français, why did you learn French? Then he can ask you where do you live, where do you come from, what have you studied, and are you on work permit, are you on study permit. So these set of personal questions the examiner may ask you in the task 1. Now I'll give you a pro tip for these answers. Whenever you answer these questions, make sure to answer the question in 3 to 4 phrases for each question. This will give you extra marks. But try to be clear and precise with your answers. Coming on to task number 2. Task number 2 is about jeu de rôle. The jeu de rôle means the role play. In this task, you will be provided with a situation. Like for example, here I have given, vous voulez réserver un hôtel. So you wish to reserve a hotel. So you, examiner, is going to be the answer. He is going to answer the questions and you are going to ask questions to the examiner. You're going to get some information from him. So you can start with Bonjour, je voudrais avoir des informations sur votre hôtel. Bonjour, I would like to ask some information for your hotel. Now make sure to ask at least 8 to 10 questions. This is very important in this task that you prepare 8 to 10 questions for the situation. This is a pro tip for acing the task. Now here, for example, our situation was réserver un hôtel. So you can ask questions like combien coûte la chambre par nuit? What is the price per night? Est-ce que le petit déjeuner est inclus? Like, is the breakfast included? So this way you can make 8 to 10 questions and make sure not to stop in between. Whatever the duration of the task is given, try to speak throughout the time period. Coming on to task number 3. Task number 3 is argumentative, right? That is monologue, argumentative. That will be a monologue, argumentative monologue, where you will be provided with a situation and you have to defend your point of view. Here, very important to score well is use the linking words. These are the magic linking words which are going to make your speaking to next level. Like premièrement. Firstly, you can use premièrement. In layman language, we use d'abord. Rather than using d'abord or tout d'abord, you can use premièrement, deuxièmement, ensuite, de plus, par exemple, à mon avis, je pense que. Or you can even use pour conclude, for concluding, right? So these are for giving your arguments. This one is for giving example and this one for giving your opinion and this for conclusion, right? So I have given a situation here. See, est-il important d'aimer son travail? Is it important to love your work? So what do you think about it? I made a very simple answer for it. You can elaborate it. See, à mon avis, il est très important d'aimer son travail. According to me, it's very important to love your work. Now, I'm giving the first argument to explain my point of view. Premièrement, qu'on aime son travail, on est plus motivé et plus productif. Deuxièmement, cela réduit le stress et améliore la qualité de vie. Par exemple, si une personne choisit un métier qu'elle aime, elle se sent plus heureuse et satisfaite. Pour conclure, je pense qu'elle aime son travail est essentiel pour avoir une vie équilibrée. So basically, what I've done is, here I've already used the word important. So I've replaced it here with essentiel. I've like I've avoided the repetition of the words. Repetition of words should be avoided. You can use synonyms for that, and also include the linking words to make it more beautiful. Like obviously when you are speaking something, the listener gets attracted to your things when you're giving the things in pointers. So pointers are very important for your monologue. This is going to enhance your speaking, and this is also going to give you time, like when you are giving firstly this, secondly this, thirdly this. So you are going to get time that yes, first point is this, second is this, third is this. So there and then you'll be able to make out the things in a very beautiful way, because cohesion and coherence is also very important when you speak or when you write. So this is the basic structure of task 1, task 2 and task 3 for your TCF Canada exam. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And if there is some topic that you want me to make a video on, please comment down in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on that. And we are starting with a new batch from 9th of March. If you're interested, let us know for the enrollment. Till then, I'll meet you in the next. Au revoir, à bientôt.